Hey everyone! Check out this massive Intex Ultra XTR rectangular outdoor swimming pool set. This large backyard pool brings ultimate summer fun straight to your home. It features a high-quality galvanized steel frame built for exceptional durability and stability. The puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material easily handles daily wear and tear. Assembly is wonderfully quick and simple with the snap-together design. You also get a complete package, including a sand filter system and deluxe maintenance kit, ready to transform your backyard into an oasis. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.